Alright, 15 inch, or 15 millimeter.
Hi there, my name is Zach. This is called a car.
And we're on.
I can't really see anything.
Oil pan. Oil pan.
$5 glasses and fucking expensive.
Catch that oil. Take the pan out. Take the plug out. That's right, you're gonna get dirty today in a minute.
3.4 Chrysler Mobile right here. I'm saying, boy.
Down there, tell
so
you
good.
what.
That's nice and warm like the cold juice that I drink.
Don't even make sense.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be licking that. Oh boy.
Oil's pretty warm in there.
Yeah. It's brown. It's like Paula takes it to the Super Bowl. We got a oil thingamachanger. It's not brown unless you let it flush down. You see that it is brown.
Focus. Oh, that right there, pretty clean.
Yep. Horsepower, sometimes they gotta take a piss. I'm telling you, 170 horsepower ain't that much, but you know, push, pull, or drag, gonna be dead anyway. Oh, little extra there.
Self-lubricant.
Go ahead and let that.
Pull that pan.
Go ahead and let that drizzle a little bit.
Pull that pan back.
Oh, battery's dying. Ain't that a fucking mess?
That right there's your battery juice. The stuff that'll make you.
This is what we call a fly catcher. Them motherfuckers just like fly right into it because they're a bunch of dumbasses. Like that guy right there.
Like a tater tot that dish right there.
Tater tot that dish right there. This is a air guard. It doesn't let any air flow into the fucking system. Makes it hotter than hell. These are called fog lights and they're pretty foggy themselves.
Spit on it first.
If you're a part of the ZLK, just like comment below. So like a dumbass, fucking forgot to put the screw back on. For the oil filter we got on, but the extra screw to release more oil.
A draining plug.
Draining plug, there you go. The cork, if you will. Fucking idiots.